Hi everyone! In this video we're going to explain how to place ads between posts inside Post's main collection. As an example, we'll use the homepage posts, but you can inject ads the same way for other archives like tags or categories. Let's say we want to display our ad in place of third post and repeat it every 8 posts. To enable the homepage ad, we need to open the customizer, navigate to the Home, Main Collection panel and scroll down to the Ad section. Let's enable the ad, adjust its setup and publish changes. As you can see, the ad slot showed up, but without any ad inside. That's fine, as we haven't assigned any ad to that slot yet. To do that, please click the link Edit Ad Settings and follow to it. We were redirected to the Inside Grid Collection slot settings, as our homepage uses the grid template. Let's assign an ad and check other settings. The most important one is the display on home. It's already checked, so we can save settings and get back to the customizer. Reload the page to check if our ad is now loaded. The ad is at the third post position, and when we scroll down, we can see the same ad repeated after the next 8 posts. Thank you for watching, bye bye!